fucked up.
You fucking idiot. What up, guys? Almost Pristine here, back with another video. Today we're gonna be taking the clutch off and then ordering another clutch and then getting that installed.
Alright, bro, we're rolling.
She's in the decent spot, I think.
We take
I didn't think so.
I thought we welded it.
We did weld it, but I think
we put tape to fucking pad it. Massive fail.
Sorry guys, camera died, so we just decided to get this finished up while it was still a little bit alive. We got the motor pulled, went about as perfect as it could have. We're gonna get the clutch replaced so we can get this thing out running again. It's pretty messed up at this point, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. Last night I got the exhaust, intercooler, all that good shit back on this thing. Put the stock rims back on it so I can sell the Avid ones. We decided to go against the motor swap. We were just going to sell this, get some more money to dump in the 240 over there. So she's going to be leaving us soon. I got some sick new parts coming in for the 240. Got them on their way. They should be here by next week, so I'll be getting a new video out to you guys, making this thing look a lot better, be able to turn up the boost, lots of fun shit. Make sure to stick around, find out what's going on there.
Alright guys, you know what it is. Almost Pristine. Stay around for the part 2 clutch install. Maybe see Jake drop that on his head. We don't know. Anyway, Almost Pristine. Like and subscribe.
Got the Subaru all put back together for right now. Just gonna sell the piece of shit decided, so we can invest a little more money in that gorgeous little bastard over there.